What's up, everyone? This is Elijah from Financial Anatomy, the place where you can learn how to take control of your financial destiny. Here on this channel, we talk about all things personal finance, including side hustles and investing. And we're going to be covering the Kraken app in this video. Specifically, how do you sell cryptocurrency once you've got it? So you buy a Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, depending on how you want to pronounce it. But once you buy it, at some point, I'm assuming you're going to want to sell it and either reap the benefits and withdraw that money and spend it, or you'll want to sell it just so you can buy something else. But regardless, you need to know how to sell the cryptocurrency. So we're going to give a visual demonstration on how to do this over the phone. I should keep in mind, if you don't know how to buy or deposit money, you want to check out my Kraken playlist where I cover those in tutorials of their own. But assuming you have that knowledge already, we're going to show via the phone how to sell cryptocurrency. So let's move over to the phone. So starting out, we're going to click on our Kraken app, open it up. And then we've been taken to the home screen. Now, in this video, we're going to sell some Bitcoin. So there's a few ways that you can bring it up. Bitcoin is on the screen, so if I wanted to, I could just click on it and click on sell. Or I can click on the portfolio icon at the bottom of the screen, and it's going to show exactly what cryptocurrency I own and what I want to do with it. So when I click on Bitcoin, it takes me to the same place. So I'm going to go ahead and click on sell. Then it's going to ask, what percentage of my investment do I want to sell? It has the percentages outlined for you to make it easier, or you can punch in a specific number. For this video, I'm going to sell the maximum amount, so I'm going to click on max. It's now confirming if this is what I want and letting me know what fees will be associated with it. I'm going to go ahead and swipe right to confirm. It says successfully sold. So you tap anywhere on the screen and it'll take you to your balance, which in this case is $6.68 because I just exchanged my Bitcoin. That in a nutshell is how you sell on the Kraken app. If you followed this tutorial to its completion, then you now know how to sell cryptocurrency. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. If you haven't signed up for Kraken yet and you have an interest in doing so, you can sign up using the link in the description or the pinned comment. That does for this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found value in it. It's very much appreciated. And subscribe if you're new, if you want to be notified when I drop another video. Catch you next time. Don't forget to get out there and take control of your financial destiny.